Hi Ella, this is Maura here. Thank you for replying to my email. Okay, so where I stand at the moment is that I'm about to launch my ad. So when I get the go ahead, I'll publish the ad. Now, my niche is that I help women struggling with menopausal symptoms. Somebody contacted me last April, Gwen Harris. She has a menopause support group with over 100,000 women, helping and supporting them through menopausal symptoms. She asked me would I be interested in being a menopause lifestyle coach there. There is a panel there going from medical doctors to coaches, counsellors, and helping and supporting these women. Now, I contacted Gwen last week and she's looking forward to me joining the panel. So what I need is just some advice as to how do I actually approach the group. Do I send out posts as regards the fact that I'm starting out? Do I post messages that I'm, looking for case study clients? I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure what to post. So I would like some advice on that. Now, my goal for the end of the month, I know I am aware that there's only 2 weeks to the end of the month, and my goal is to take in 10,000. So I would like to kind of, if the Facebook ads, if I don't get enough through the Facebook ads, that I can use this group and aim for having the 10,000 by the end of the month. And then I would like to, I want to simultaneously work with the group and through Facebook ads and scaling the business. And I would be interested in joining the advanced program. So as regards the COA program, it's second to none. It's really a phenomenal program. The support from coaches and the speed at which they get back to me. I never had this before because I'm a genius at taking up all kinds of programs. I've done all kinds of programs, but I certainly never had this support. And I love the way that the program is just really specific. All of the videos just really specific to the point, and it's step by step, and that is exactly what I need. So I really appreciate all of that. I look forward to moving forward with this, and to your advice as to what your recommendations are for me to move forward. Thank you all so much for your support and help with this, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.